Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Moments and Meaning podcast, where the small moments reveal big truths. I am your host, Wayne. So, our episode for today is we have a cinder of our episode for today. The title is Raised by Pain, Not by Parents. So, ito sa taas, yan, kay Sir James. So, ito ang kwento niya. So, ano pang hinintay mo? Ito ang kwento niya. Sir Wayne, may mga batang hindi pinalaki ng kumain ka na ba? Kundi ng kaya mo na yan. Hindi kami lumaki sa comfort, kundi sa responsibilidad na hindi namin pinili. Maaga kaming naging matatag, Sir Wayne, hindi dahil sa gusto namin, kundi dahil walang sasalo kapag bumagsak kami. Maaga kaming natutong itago ang pagod dahil walang nagtatanong kung okay pa ba kami. Sir Wayne, lumaki kami ng independent, pero ang totoo, gusto rin namin ng may umalalay. Sanay kaming matapang, pero pagod na kaming maging matapang. At ang nakakatawa pa nun, Sir Wayne, pinupuri ka dahil matatag ka, pero walang nakaisip na alamin kung sino ang sumisira sa'yo para maging ganyan ka. So, yun yung short story niya. Sir James, I am your host, Wayne, and this is the Moments of Meaning that's reminding you that being raised by pain doesn't mean you don't deserve softness. You are allowed to rest. You are allowed to need someone. Strength was your survival, but healing can be your choice now. Okay? So, good luck and kaya mo yan. Like and share and subscribe. Thank you and God bless you again.